Hello, my name is Dr. Mustroph, and I'm a neurosurgeon specializing in spine surgery here at Emory Healthcare. Every day, I get to connect with people from various different backgrounds and different life experiences. Establishing relationships and seeing our relationships progress through their healthcare journey is what I love about practicing medicine. Whether it's through minimally invasive, endoscopic, or open surgery, I enjoy giving patients their quality of life back. It's important to me to take time with patients and discuss their healthcare options, including conservative, non-surgical options. If surgery is the route, I help them understand all aspects of their surgery, from pre-surgery, the procedure itself, and recovery. Here at Emory Healthcare, we're leaders in multiple areas. We have an incredible breadth of providers and are able to offer our patients innovative, non-operative, and operative procedures. As an academic health system, we work as part of a big team with many experts that come together to find the best treatment course for our patients. It's easy for me to say that at the end of the day within the Emory system, our patients are in good hands and can trust us. We care a lot about them as patients, and we're all working hard as we can to have the best outcome possible. When I'm not caring for patients, I enjoy spending time with my wife, son, and dog, and being outdoors, running, biking, hiking. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.